Good day, everyone. Once again, this is Dave Marshall, and I'll be discussing organizing resources for online distance learning. At the end of this discussion, I hope that all of you will learn and describe digital learning resources, examine the different features of virtual classrooms and learning management systems, and last but not the least, apply the different tips and tricks in organizing resources in virtual classroom or in a learning management system. I divided our discussions into three subtopics. First, digital learning resources. Second, virtual classroom and learning management system. And last but not the least, tips and tricks in organizing resources in an online distance environment.